Hello everybody, my name is MGC and today I'll be stripping a Chinese power bank that I bought, and I highlight the word Chinese because it's not performing very well. I bought this power bank a few days back and you can barely charge my phone to full, of which that's a bit weird for a 20,000 milliamp rated power bank, but it's a Chinese one. So anyway, yesterday I took the liberty to open it up. So after having opened the power bank up, you can see from the scratch mark. So then I close it up because for the purposes of this video. So okay, let me just open it up real quick in front of the camera, but I'd opened it before, so it will be easy to open it up. Okay. Okay, yeah, as you see now, you only see 4 batteries. Actually, this power bank came with 5, so I'd already opened and did what I want to show you now. So it's for the purpose of not spoiling my findings, let me just wait until... anyway, it comes with 3 USB ports, but on the cover you can only see 2. The other one has been blocked for some reason I cannot fathom, and it's saying 75% charge because there's some... yeah, I think it's on 75%. So yeah, if you notice, if you look closely, there's only 2 batteries that are connected. Of the 5 that were there, the other one I think I lost it somewhere, so only 2 are connected. So then I thought, what the hell, let me just take a look at these batteries. They look pretty convincing for everyone. Let's say, yeah, it looks like a convincing battery. So then I took the liberty of taking my test meter and testing for any, maybe the Chinese forgot to connect the batteries. So let me just put it on battery test. Yes, and then we put it on the test meter. There's nothing. As you can see, there's nothing. So then the weight is pretty convincing here, so it might be a battery, but it's not working. Maybe it's not charged, but I tried charging the other one, this one here that I covered with some black tape, and then after charging, no luck. And then I thought, you know what, there's no harm in just tearing it down. So let me just tear down the battery itself. Let me tear it down. Let me just remove this protective thingy, and then yeah, voila, there's our battery there. And then let me just take off this top cover in front of the camera. It's a bit tough. So yeah, let me just try this using this stronger screwdriver to take off the cap. Let me just try prying like this. Yeah, it's out. It's out. And then there's another plastic casing here. What's coming out here? I don't know if you can see this on camera, but something seems to be spilling, and it's not liquid. It's not liquid. And then let me take off this plastic. Oh, so you've seen it now, what the Chinese do. This is how they punk everyone. They actually filled up these battery cells, empty battery cells, with actual sand. This is sand, Chinese sand. There's sand here. It's filled up with sand. This is what the Chinese do. So people, after watching this video, you should know not to trust the Chinese when it comes to their power banks. Because look at the other battery from last time. It's also filled with sand as well. I just wrapped it up with tape so that I can show the world. These decoys. these dummies. It's also filled up with sand, some Chinese sand, for the probably for the purposes of balancing weight. This is sand.